Recall that components can be wired in two ways, series and parallel. A wiring diagram shows you if components are wired in series or parallel. Recall that components wired in series only have one path for current to flow. The current moves from the exit of one component directly to the entrance of the next component. For example, look at the diagram to the right. You can see that there are 3 switches. These switches are in series with each other. There is only one path for current to flow once it exits a switch. Components can also be wired in parallel. Recall that components in parallel have multiple paths for current to flow. For example, look at the schematic diagram to the right. The OFM, COMP, and SOP are wired in parallel. Current can flow through 3 paths once it exits the 21 terminal of the contactor.